Oh, yeah. Hi, Ken. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Never work with children or animals, they say, and certainly don't allow a cat in your shop, even if it is to get the mice. Right, Kenny? Yeah. And then they go and disturb you and get in the way of all your vital, critical planning. Right, Ken? Yeah. Thank you. And, yeah. Good times. Oh, not done yet, are you? Yeah. Can I? Oh. Things you got to put up with, I tell you. Escape to the shop, get away from the wife and kids, and then something finds you. I can't eat. That's a headbutt. What are you, Scottish or something? Oh, okay. I think I've had enough of that. Obviously, you haven't, have you?